Man, Scotty, we might not actually get out. Okay, here we go. We are going fishing. They're getting the boat out into the water. We're gonna go do some fishing with Scotty. Should be fun. Yep. Yeah, down there.
Sorry, I had a dog friend calling me. And then I got scared because I didn't want him to get bit again.
Go! Another one. Yeah, look at that barrel.
I don't want to go through that.
No.
It's lighter down there.
It's like 1.5 meters to 2 meters for the next like 4 days. Like big swell. That's why bagpipes have been firing.
I took my grab on Ginger.
Man, Scotty, we might not actually get out.
And then you gotta get back in.
It's easy.
Yeah?
They just pick a wave and ride it in.
Yeah.
Fair.
Take it right to the beach.
Big storm.
There we go.
I've never not figured out.
Really?
The last thing you want to do is have the boat.
Yeah, oh god, yeah. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Head north. Look at the rainbow! Hopefully the storm passes. Kind of chasing it the whole way north, but sprinkling a little. Dinner. Ooh. Jeez, Scotty.
Nope. It's spicy, whatever it should be.
Do you need me to hold you back, Scott?
Do you have a belt out here?
I do, and we go out deep.
Yeah.
I bought
Oh, you
one
don't
after
keep it
that
in.
day.
You don't keep it in the truck or in the boat.
Not
Truck.
when
Keep
we're
it in the
showering.
truck.
You keep it in the truck. getting close.
Be cheated.
Oh, dragon, yeah. Right through. Oh my god. That would be so flavorful. You wouldn't need any sugar, nothing added into it at all. Oh, that perch colored plug is just killing. If you had perch here, I totally understand, but that's no.
And you would think.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Another one down. Mackerel, big barracuda. So far, so good. Fresh fruit. Fantastic day. We're gonna get a great sunset here. Oh my God. Look how far that is. You could tow in from out there.
Oh my.
Yeah, look how dark that water is. It's gotta be like, what, 40 feet in there probably? 50 feet? That's crazy.
It's like, I'm gonna see these tonight in my sleep. When I close my eyes, watch before I sleep, I'm gonna see these.
Yeah, I was telling you, if you come out here in big sled.
Man, you could tow in on that. Into another beautiful day. I appreciate that, Scotty. Thank you very much. That was amazing. Sí. Sí. Mucho.
Say that in Spanish.
Pack her up and head her in for sunset. Time to go fillet and eat. We gotta go all the way in there.
Buen trabajo,
Walter! Walter! Get back! 100 mile an hour to 0. Roll. What? Hi, bud. Hi. Well, that was amazing. We're back on land. We're gonna get the big panga back into its home. Oh, what a beautiful night. Gorgeous sunset. Very grateful to Scott for taking us out fishing. We got a bunch of mackerel, big giant barracuda. So we're good. We're gonna get the boat up into its hole, and then we're gonna fillet some fish and make some dinner. This is good. It's a nice way to end off the trip here the next 3 days, or 3 days, 2 days, 3 days, whatever we got left. Blessed, man. Very blessed to be here. Blessed to have all this. Blessed to have the opportunity. It's an experience. It's the first time Rebecca's been out in the boat, so I wanted her to experience that as well. It's always fun going out and seeing that. She saw a big turtle pop up in the water, which was really cool. So we're gonna I'm just gonna grab my Crocs here, which are somewhere before they float away on high tide, and yeah, we'll go help fish cleaned up and we'll get some food in our stomachs. Don't forget to check out some more videos, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. You.